to Nature Kids at McLib. Today we're going to be talking about butterflies specifically, but before we do, I have something in this little box I'd like to show you. Here, take a look. Can you guess who this is? I see a little blue tail. I see two little feet with long toes. There's a new little friend. This little guy is a blue skink. He's just very little. He's a baby. A skink. A skink is a kind of lizard, and he likes to live around like porches or maybe a house foundation, someplace where it's damp. It's got lots of hidey holes. Yeah, they're really cute. Well, it's time to go swallowtail hunting. Ready? Off to the milkweed. Do you remember the book, The Hungry Caterpillar? I think some hungry caterpillar has been in my spice bush. Can you see this? No leaves. Somebody's been eating. And I think I know who. This guy is the spice bush swallowtail caterpillar. Look at that fake eye. And guess where he is? He's on my spice bush. That's right. How about this egg right here? Can you see that little white spot near my thumb? I watched a butterfly come over here, a spice bush butterfly, and she laid her egg right there. Pretty cool, huh? So, I want you to think about something. What about all those bugs that you find on your plants? What happens if you kill them? Well, then there wouldn't be any eggs, and there wouldn't be any caterpillars, and there wouldn't be any butterflies, or moths for that matter. There's a moth that is very shy. He's called a hummingbird hawk moth. Now, I had to hide in the garage to get pictures of this guy. So I want you to watch very closely. He flies like a hummingbird, but he's really a moth. Uh-oh. I think we jinxed somebody. I found something on the floor in the garage when I went out to visit the cats today. Yep. I think the cats were guilty. Can you see this? You see that? It's a little skink tail. Well, if he got away, he'll just have to grow a new one. That's right. If a skink should lose his tail, he can grow a new one. It's called regeneration. It'll take him several months, but he'll grow a new one. Somebody came to visit. Here, I want you to see. See my little friend? Likes the salt on my skin. Well, whoa! Did you see that? That was a bee attack. I'm not sure, but I think that's a hornet. A hornet just swooped down and picked that bee up and flew off with him. So do that. Well, kids, this has been episode 14 of Nature Kids. This is the last one for the summer. If you'd like to see the earlier ones, all you got to do is go to our web channel at www.mclib.net, and you'll find them all archived on our McLib TV on YouTube. You'll find a link on the website. So it's been great fun. I hope you've learned a few things. Check them out. Be safe. Be outside. Be a nature kid. Later.